The Hong Kong Special Administrative Region celebrates its 25th anniversary on July 1st. Many experts say since Hong Kong returned to the motherland, the region's development has come along in leaps and bounds, and they're one country, two systems.
I think Hong Kong's development over the last 25 years has been simply phenomenal. All through the years, we have seen the one country, two systems working. After the Chinese government, of course, instituted measures to ensure security, to ensure stability, to ensure democracy, then a lot of business that has gone on.
Well, I think it's advantageous certainly to Hong Kong's development and of course to China as a whole. So there is dynamic interaction between Hong Kong and the rest of the China's system.
In 2021, Hong Kong's economy grew to 2.86 trillion Hong Kong dollars, up from 1.37 trillion Hong Kong dollars in 1997. During the period, its total foreign trade in goods more than tripled to 10.27 trillion Hong Kong dollars. China's reform and opening up has provided the SAR with a massive platform, and the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area and other national initiatives are bringing about new opportunities.
As Hong Kong gets closer and closer to China, the Greater Bay Area will be a very, very strong new beginning for Hong Kong. Hong Kong will continue to be strong and stronger, and that's the future.
And I think this idea of Greater Bay Area, should I say, a concept and then the practice of synergizing the abilities, the strengths of various parts of Hong Kong, as well as Shenzhen and other parts of Guangdong province as well. So I think that would enable Hong Kong to prosper together with the rest of China.